Hi, I am Dr. Vibhash Vaidya, tutor in the Department of Anatomy under the Faculty of Medicine and Health Science, SGT University, Gurugram. Today I will talk about what is human anatomy and what are the various things we study under the human anatomy. Human anatomy is a fundamental pillar of the medical science in which we study the structure of the body part and their relationship to one another. The term anatomy, which is derived from the Greek, that means is anatome, and anatome means cutting of the body. Human anatomy subject is comprised of various subdivisions. These subdivisions are: first subdivision is gross or cadaveric anatomy. In this subdivision, we study the structure of the body part by dissection, and it done on the dead bodies, usually with the naked eye. You can see here, this is cadaver. This subdivision of anatomy can be studied on two approaches. First is regional and second is systemic. In regional anatomy, body is studied in part like upper limb, which is comprises of arm, forearm and hand, then thorax, abdomen, then lower limb, which is comprises of this thigh, leg and feet, then head and neck and brain. In systemic anatomy, body is studied in system-like, that is skeletal system, that is also called as osteology, then muscular system, that is also called as myology, then articulatory system, that is also called as arthrology, then vascular system, that is also called as angiology, then nervous system, that is also called as neurology, then respiratory system, digestive system, urogenital system and endocrine system. Next is histology. Histology is also called as microscopic anatomy. In this subdivision, we study the structure of the body under the microscope. The next subdivision is embryology, that is also called as developmental anatomy. Is the study of the prenatal developmental changes and study of growth and development of fetus inside the uterus. Then surface anatomy, that is also called as topographic anatomy, is the study of the deeper part of the body in relationship to the skin surface. Then clinical anatomy. In this subdivision, deal with the application of the anatomical knowledge in clinical practice. Then genetic. In this subdivision, deal with the study of information present in the chromosome. Radiographic anatomy is a branch of anatomy which uses radiation to study the anatomical structure, that is use of X-ray, CT scan, MRI, PET scan, all these fall under this subdivision. Next is physical anthropology, is the study of the external feature and measurement of different races and group of people, and also the study of the prehistoric remains. Then comparative anatomy. It is a study of anatomy of human with the lower animal to understand the concept of evolution. These all are the different sections of the anatomy. Thank you very much.